the meaning of a word from the context clues. So I know we've talked about context clues. We're going to be like detectives. And we're going to look at words that are around the word that I don't know. A multiple meaning word is a word with more than one meaning. Let's look at some examples. If I said the word stick. So Mrs. Murphy's going to say the word stick. You wouldn't know if I meant something from a tree, or what a sticker does, or what a shot does to my arm. So like if they stick me with a needle, that is another kind of stick. So that word stick has three meanings. It can mean like a stick from a tree. It can mean like the sticker will stick on the page. Or it can mean the shot or the needle will stick me. This is a word with three meanings. And sometimes if I say the word stick, do you guys know which one I mean?
No.
No. So how are you going to figure out, if I say the word stick, how would you figure out which meaning I'm talking about? What would you have to do, Ellie?
Like
Listen to the whole sentence and look for some clues, and that's what we're going to do. So let's look at the word fair. So think of the word fair, F-A-I-R. Think of how many fairs there are and their meanings. Not the bus fare, that's F-A-R-E. So think of this kind of fair. Now does Mrs. Murphy mean fair is something that is equal and honest, or a fun place with rides and games? Lila, what do you think?
one place with what?
It could be that one, or what else could it be, Tyson?
Like that's not fair.
Yeah, that's not fair, that's not equal. So there's two meanings for this word. So when I say the word fair, you guys don't know which one I'm talking about unless I put it in a sentence and you use your context clues to figure out which one I mean. Okay, can you guys think of more than one meaning for the word ball?
Yeah. Yeah.
So look at the word ball. Think of the different meanings for ball. Lila, what's one meaning?
You bounce the ball.
You bounce a ball.
At the gym.
What's another kind of ball? Charlotte?
Like you're at like a ball.
Yeah, like you're gonna dance at a ballroom, or like you're at, like Cinderella went to the ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another name for a dance. Okay? So there's two meanings of ball. Okay, and it could be a basketball, it could be volleyball. There's lots of different kinds of balls, right? Kickball.
It's a ball.
Yep.
It's a ball.
A ball's a ball. Okay. So a ball can mean a round object you can throw, or it can mean a dance that royalty might attend, like Cinderella was royalty.
Cinderella's my favorite one.
Now,
Not mine.
can you guys think of more than one meaning for a bank? Look at the pictures. The pictures are going to give you clues. So a bank. What kind of banks are there, Kinsley?
There's like water banks or snow banks.
Like a water bank or a snow bank. So the bank is kind of like, you got your road or your path or your river, and it's going up. It's like the sides of it.
Yeah.
Okay, there's another kind of bank, Mason.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the bank to put some money in.
Yeah, to put some money in. So you might go to the bank to put some money in.
Or
Louis?
Mason took my
He took yours. Okay, so I think there's mainly only two kinds of banks. But again, you would have to look at the sentence. So the side of a river and a place where people keep their money is the two different meanings of bank. Now, depending on how the word is used, it could be a noun or verb. A pet can be an animal, or it can also be an action word. So, for example, I heard a loud bark from the dog. So what does a dog do with its mouth? What do you think, Ingrid?
Bark.
Bark. That's a verb. However, look at this one. The bark on the tree was brown and rough. What kind of bark is that, Lewis?
It's the like the stuff on the tree.
Yeah, the outside of the trunk of the tree, right, to protect it. And that's a noun. So sometimes the word can be a verb or it can be a noun. Okay, it can show action or sometimes it can just be a noun. Okay, I'm going to do just, I was just seeing how many more are left. All right, here's another one. There was a huge wave in the ocean. Now I have the word wave. What does that mean, Ellie? Ellie A.
It means like there's a lot of water.
Yeah, it's a big, huge, a lot of water. It's a big wave.
Big tsunami.
Yep. Now, if I read this sentence, I always wave goodbye to my mom when I get on the bus. So, everybody wave. That's an action. That's a verb.
Who are we waving
So,
There's another one.
is there another way?
Yeah, I get my way, like I get my way whenever I want.
Brooklyn, that
Wave,
one's,
not
that's
way.
way, not wave. Very close though. Okay, now, today, what you're going to do, I think this is the last one, is today we have learned that a word can have several meanings. We have to read the rest of the sentence carefully to determine the right or the appropriate meaning of a word. So you have to read the sentence to figure it out, okay? Use your context clues. So today, we are going to do our reading assignment is going to be JJ1, which is on multiple meaning words. And so, I'm going to have you, in a minute, go to iExcel, Language Arts. Miss Morgan can sign in real quick.
Wait, why do you have that?
Mine's really big.
Yeah, on here it's like, it's the
It
same.
is the same.
Whoa, we've done a lot. 53. 745 questions.
Okay, so I'm going to go down to JJ1, and I just want to show you what you're going to have to do, just so you understand. So you're going to go all the way to the bottom, and it should be highlighted, and there's only one. So you're going to click on it, and this one's pretty easy and fun.
Match the sentences to the pictures.
Okay,
Dana washes her hands in the sink. The boat will sink soon.
all right, Wyatt, come up here. All you have to do to begin with is match the picture with the correct multiple meaning word. So the boat will sink soon, and Dana washes her hands in the sink. They're both sinks. That one's pretty easy. All right, let's do one more together. Ingrid, I'll have you come up. Let's listen to them.
Player visits his fans. There are 2 fans in the living room.
The player visits his fans. There are 2 fans in the living room. Good job. So fans could be like the people, or fans could be like the equipment that moves the air around to keep you cool. Okay, go ahead. Go on to JJ1. Try to get to 100. You have about 6-7 minutes. If you can get to 100.